Hey everybody, and welcome back to Shakrun's video commentary video game. Actually, it's not commentary, this is a tutorial. So today we're going to be working on, this has been a request that I've gotten, is doing a potion effect, armor potion effect for 1.7. And this has actually been made so much easier this time to do this. So that's fantastic. So only place we got to go this time is we got to go to our armor. So opening up that right now. So sample armor, and here we got to put in a function. So right below we got this function, get armor texture. So right below that, so you'll have these two parentheses or curly brackets. You want to start right here. Okay, and we're going to be typing. I'm going to show you actually two different things here. I'm going to show you how to apply a potion effect to just one item, and then a potion effect when you're wearing so many other items, which is going to be pretty cool. It's just more of a logic thing than a tricky thing to do. So public void, actually we're going to go at override to make sure that this is right when we're typing it. So public void, is it here, on armor tick. So basically what we're doing is when you have like a potion effect or anything that deals with time, like you know, crafting or anything like that, they have a tick. So there's 20 ticks per second, I think, 20 ticks a second. So it's just it's entity player, sorry, fuck that up, entity player. It's just you know, it's a thing. So we're working with ticks here. It's entity player, and then item stack. Item stack. So we got three parameters: world, variable world, and we're going to call it world. Entity player, and we're going to call it player. Item stack, and we're going to call it item stack. And we're going to import all those. Command Shift Control Shift O. Should import world and entity player and item stack if it's not already. It should be. Yes, it should already be imported. Alright, so we're going to start with the single item potion effect. Alrighty, and single. Okay, so it's very easy to do. If, and then if player. So what we need to do here is we need to check if the player is wearing armor, and then if it is wearing armor, then we check, is it our armor, and then if it is, then we can do something. Now the reason why we have to check to see if they have armor on, and not just, oh, are they wearing our armor, because they may not be wearing any armor, and if we don't check for that, that could cause crashes and stuff like that, because there's an exception within that if statement that just not exists. There's something that does not exist within the if statement, so that makes it go ah. All right, so and we can actually use this for a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff in here, and I may even just like design some cool tutorials or something like that with working with the player, because there's a lot of stuff in here, lots of stuff to go through. All right, so if player dot get, I guess I'm going to want that dot get current armor. Now I'm going to put in 3 in here. Now I'll explain this, and I'll put these in comments up here, so you guys know this. We went through this last time when we did this, but I'll do it again. It's fine. Okay, so basically we got each slot for armor has an ID attached to it to identify it as whichever piece it is. So 3 is the helmet. 2 is the chest plate. 1 is the leggings. And 0 is the boots. So right now we're calling for 3. So we want to check if slot number 3 of the player's armor is not equal to null, and if it is not equal to null, we want to check if it's our armor. So we're going to do this in a nice, neat way. So we're going to create an item stack. We're going to call it helmet in this case, because what we're going for is the helmet. So item stack helmet is make that equal to player dot get current armor, and then put in 3 semicolon. Then if helmet dot get item is equal to our helmet, so we gotta go main class dot sample helmet. Now we can apply the potion effect. So we want to go player dot add potion effect, and then new potion effect potion dot and for this we're going to go night vision. Spell it right, kids. Night vision dot get ID. And then one more thing. Then we gotta give it how many ticks. So we're gonna go 100 ticks. So that's 5 seconds. Import potion effect. Command Shift Control Shift O, and you're good to go there. So that's pretty much all we need to do to make this work. So let's launch up the game here. Nose is running. Okay, so we're just gonna go into this world. Alright, so the last time we were working on the shock power furnace. So this time, so we're gonna go and we're gonna grab our helmet. So we're just gonna grab all pieces of armor. Make sure music's all the way down. Okay, so because we're gonna need all pieces anyway, we're gonna equip our helmet. So let's just go time set 16,000. Nice, it's the middle of night. Throw on our helmet. Now we have night vision. So you go. It's working. 5 seconds. Now it's still a little bit buggy because it's updating every tick, right? So it's flashing for some reason. I don't know why it does that. When you just take the potion, it doesn't do that, and that might be something I could fix later on and just mention it to you guys. Yeah, it's just a little for that potion effect. It's a little bit weird. Okay, so now that we've done that, now we're gonna go through creating a potion effect that's only applied if you're wearing all 4 pieces of armor. This as well is very, very, very easy. So let's go multi-item potion effect. So we're basically doing the exact same thing, except for we're just modifying our if statements a little bit. So we go if player dot get current armor. I'm going to start with 3 again. Is not equal to null. And. Now we can copy all of that and paste it 3 more times like that. So you should have 4 of these in total. And then you just want to change this to 2. Change the second one to 2. So current armor 2, then armor 1 for the 3rd one, and then 0 for the 4th one. If that is if those are all not true, that they're not equal to null, then we want to set all of our variables. So item stack helmet is equal to player dot get current armor 3. Again, we can copy that, paste it down a few times. Chest plate, leggings, boots, and then go 2, 1. I didn't work out. 1 and 0. And then we just go to the if statement for if they're all armor. So you can kind of see where this is going. So if helmet dot get item, get item is equal to main class dot sample helmet, and then again you can copy that 1, 2, 3 more times, and then we can just modify it. So chest plate is equal to sample chest plate, leggings is equal to sample leggings, and then so we gotta get rid of this and here, that's why it's causing that error. And then boots is equal to sample boots. There we go. And now we just need to do our player dot add potion effect, new potion effect, potion dot, and this time we're gonna go invisibility dot get ID, and for how long we're gonna go 100. Now there's a few more parameters you can put on here, like depending on what you're throwing on for a potion effect. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'm gonna show you this part. So let's just go here. I wonder if I can re-indent this. It's fine. Okay, so we're going to take this code here, and we're going to change this to chest plate. I should just go leggings. So let's go 2, 1 actually for leggings. Leggings 1, and yeah, leggings is 1, and then sample leggings, then leggings. All right. So now here we're going to change this to let's just go potion dot. Is there anything with speed? No. Dig speed. Just gotta find what I'm looking for here. Invisibility, hunger, move speed. Okay, move speed dot get ID. For how long? We're going 100 ticks or 5 seconds, and just need to put that back on there. So now we want to. Actually, I fucked up down here. Fix that right now. Chest plate, not chest plate. So then we gotta specify a level of sorts. So I'm gonna open up this potion effect, and we're gonna see. So you get the potion ID, the duration, the amplifier, which is the level. Is it a splash potion? Stuff like that. We're just gonna worry about these first 3 here. So I wonder if they're gonna give us different levels. So the amplifier. So it's automatically it's gonna be speed 1, and I think it goes up to speed 3. So if we go 2, that's gonna add 2. Now what is our error here? Maybe we need another one of those. There we go. Fancy. So that should work. So we'll go test that right now. So it should be giving us speed 3 at this time. So we're going to be testing out both our multi-potion effect, which is wearing all of our armors to give us invisibility, as well as speed when we're wearing the leggings. Now, when we are wearing all of these, we will still get the night vision and the speed, as well as invisibility. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna change it to daytime, set 0. Alrighty, so we got the helmet on. So it's just going to first person here. Throw on the chest plate. Throw on the leggings. As you see, it did add speed 3, and then we put on the boots. Now, as you can see, we are invisible. It's not just fancy. So now you could do more. Like you could say, you could do stuff with the textures. Maybe turn them off. Right now we have speed 3, or maybe it goes up to speed 5. Let's try going up to as fast as speed as we can get. So let's try 3. Maybe it's speed 4. So click the old Java or the old Minecraft client. We'll go into this new one. So now we should have speed 4. Yep, and you can see we have speed. So now if we go, I'm just gonna go to game mode S. Take all this off, and you'll see that now we've slowed down because we're no longer wearing any of that stuff. Put the boots on, we get speed 5. We can move across the terrain much faster. There you go, everyone. Potion effects. Fantastic. It's fancy. It's fancy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below, as well as by liking this video, because liking this video let me know that you guys like it and you want more. And then when you do that, I make more. I'm gonna make lots more. I'm gonna make them anyway, but you know. Clicking the like button lets me know that you guys are enjoying it, and you guys are finding it useful, these tutorials, and it's not just me jabbering along, not making much sense to anyone. Any improvements you'd like me to make in how I do my tutorials, please let me know. Comments down below. Questions, comments down below. If it's like crashing, for example, please go to pastebin.com, create a bin with your console output, and then a bin with your code, and then just post those links in your comment, and then I can look at them and help you out. Me and the community can help you out. At least for now, I'm working on a new Shackroom.com. It's coming. I've been working on it for weeks. I've been trying to tool it just perfect, and I just haven't quite got there yet. But I'm working on it. I'm getting everything I want added, and it's gonna be great, fantastic, and see you guys next time.